Hi everyone, it's Nico here from Big Domino Marketing, and today I want to chat to you about the 5 reasons why Facebook advertising is so powerful for businesses all around the world, especially local businesses. Now it's 5 very simple things, it's not rocket science, but people try to complicate things sometimes too much. So I just want to bring everybody back and see what are the 5 reasons why it's so powerful to market your business on Facebook ads. Reason number 1. It's easy to implement. Now, 6-7 years ago, marketing on Facebook was definitely not easy. It was different platforms and the conversion objectives. When some of those things didn't even exist in the beginning, the lookalike audiences, when that was first introduced, it sucked, to be honest. But things have evolved over the last couple of years, and Facebook's made a lot of changes in their advertising platform to make it easier for people to market. Now, sometimes it's a little bit too easy, because what happens is you go into your page and Facebook says, this post is getting quite a bit of engagement at the moment. Do you want to boost that post? Now, that is too easy almost, because then you click boost. As long as your credit card details are loaded, you don't really choose the correct audience, and you just click boost and you go, and you get a lot of engagement, but nothing happens, and it feels like you've wasted your money. Now, that type of marketing on Facebook, I strongly disagree with, because Facebook's made it so easy for someone to spend money, but it doesn't mean that that money that you spend is spent in a proper way. But it is also quite easy to market on Facebook in a proper way. All you obviously need is a proper system. So yes, it's evolved over the last 6 to 7 years, and it is easy for businesses to market their offers or their services on Facebook. And of course, when I say Facebook, I mean Facebook and Instagram, and by the looks of it, later this year, it's going to include WhatsApp as well. Reason number 2, cost effective, extremely cost effective compared to traditional marketing. If you have to take the amount of money it's going to cost you to market on television, just think about if you had to get a 30-second slot during the 8 o'clock news. First of all, the production of that content is just going to cost you an absolute fortune. Then you've got to put it on air, and it's going to cost you millions basically to place an ad on television. If you want to place an ad in the newspaper, just think about it. There's all sorts of different spots, but last time I checked, which was quite a while ago, it was between 70 and 100,000 rand for like half a spread for one publication. Now that's a lot of money to spend on marketing. Marketing in magazines. I mean, magazines, even though a lot of people think magazines are going downhill, the reality is people are still buying magazines. I mean, I'm still buying magazines, and people are still marketing in magazines, but it is expensive. Marketing on radio, another great platform if you can afford it and you follow the right process, but again, very expensive compared to something like Facebook or Instagram marketing, or even YouTube or Google Ads. So much cheaper. And of course, the other side of it is the fact that you can target so much better on social media when you do your marketing. Reason number 3, Facebook's got something called a pixel, and of course their algorithm. Now let's talk about the pixel first. So Facebook gives every advertiser on their platform a small piece of code that you can place on your website that basically tracks people coming to your website. So if I'm online and I type in, I'm looking for something, I end up on your website, I browse a bit and I go away, Facebook will then track me and place them in an audience for you to retarget me at a later stage. And that's what we call remarketing or retargeting. That's really, really good. And of course, with those type of audiences, you can do a whole lot of other stuff. So just think about it. If you place ads only in front of people that have been to your website before, isn't that a much better type of person clicking on your ad than someone that's just out there that doesn't even know you? Of course it is. So that's what the pixel helps basically in the marketing platform. Then Facebook's algorithm. It is becoming very, very good. And the great thing about Facebook's algorithm is that you can bid for a conversion. You don't have to just bid for clickers, people coming to your website and then going away. I mean, everybody knows the saying about tire kickers for someone that comes and buys vehicles. So you don't want the tire kickers. You want someone that says, right, can I go for a test drive? Now that's what the Facebook algorithm can help you with, because you can bid in your marketing, you can bid for conversions. You want to bid for a lead. You don't just want to bid for people coming to your website and going away. Very, very powerful. And this has become extremely, extremely good over the last year or so. Reason number 4, I would say the sheer size of Facebook and its partner companies. So Facebook, like I said earlier, owns WhatsApp. Facebook owns Instagram. Now, between Facebook and Instagram, that's basically the two biggest social media marketing platforms online. And remember also, Facebook thinks of Facebook Messenger as a separate application. So according to them, when they produce stats for traffic on their sites, they've got Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and of course, WhatsApp. Now there's there's a lot of other social medias out there, but Facebook is by far the biggest boy out there when it comes to giving us space to market online and giving us eyeballs on our offers. And of course, they do have partner networks. So you don't just have to market on Facebook and their partner companies or their group of companies by itself. They've got partners where they basically buy space from. So when you do advertise on their platform, you can actually place ads on other platforms. How great is that? So the sheer size of Facebook makes it a really great place to market your business. Number 5. And of course, all these things that I talk about here, it sometimes becomes a little bit overwhelming, but if you have a proven process, this is easy. And I'm going to quickly talk about the process we use for businesses all around the world to generate quality leads from Facebook using all this strength of Facebook's size, pixel, algorithm, cost effective, and the fact that it's quick and easy to implement. So you can implement, test. If it doesn't work, you do the next one, you do the next one until you get something that works and the business generates leads for, in South Africa, we're getting leads for businesses, good quality leads between 15 and 50 Rand. In the UK, we're getting quality leads for businesses between 2 and 5 pounds. In the US, we're getting quality leads for businesses, anything from $2 to $10, obviously depending on what we offer people online. So from a proven process perspective, that's how it works. So you will send traffic to an offer. So traffic will be like, for instance, traffic from Facebook, Instagram, their partner networks. You will send, and it's obviously paid traffic this, okay? You send them to an offer. And that could be, depending on what type of business you are, a free haircut, a free week at your gym or free month at your gym, a free webinar, come for free training and I'll train you. And at the end of the webinar, you sell someone if you do online stuff. If you've got an e-commerce shop, give someone 30% discount on the first product they buy. And as they buy, you upsell them into something else. But you send traffic to an offer and then someone opts in for the offer. They basically give you name, email, phone number, whatever it is that you ask for, and they submit it. Let's do it like that. Tick. They submit it from the offer. Their information is yours, and you can follow up with them. And it's very basic the way I did it here as a 3-step, but basically traffic goes to an offer. Once they've opted in for the offer, they go to a second page where we say, thank you, your offer will be in your email inbox in the next 5 minutes. And then obviously you can do a whole lot of stuff from here onwards. But this is how easy it is. You pay for traffic to an offer. You don't pay for, and notice I don't put there, pay traffic to your boring website. No. Pay traffic to an offer. So this is a landing page, opt-in page, squeeze page, whatever you want to call it, Facebook's lead forms, all those type of things. You send traffic to a page where people can do one of two things, take you up on your offer or go away. That's it. No other browsing or anything like that on the page. And if they do give you their contact details, we say thank you. Someone will be in contact with you in the next 24 hours to make sure that you can take up the offer that we've given you. Or if there's any questions, we'll chat to you. Now you've got a warm lead and you pick up the phone and you speak to someone that know you, know your product, and of course, it's got an offer from you. How great is that? Very, very easy. It's the beginning of January 2020. So I thought I'd just quickly give a brief overview on what I think is the 5 reasons businesses from all around the world, local, online, SaaS businesses, whatever business you've got, your client has got eyeballs on one of the Facebook group of companies, without a doubt. You just need to get the right offer in front of those eyes and you get leads that you can follow up with, warm leads that you can turn into paying customers. Hope that was helpful. If you guys got any questions, feel free to throw it in the comment below. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, tick that little notification button if you want notification every time we do a video. We're going to do quite a bit of it this year, a lot of training this year. So businesses can go out there. People that say, I don't have money to buy courses, I don't have money to do all these type of things. If you don't have that, the information is here for you for free. Use it, implement it, and when you get to a point where you can invest in your business, then you can go ahead with a smile and you know exactly what you want. Have a great day.